would be interesting to see everything I eat for the next 24 hours after doing a 140-mile road ride. Because I'm curious. I don't even know what the hell. First things first, homemade kombucha. Have I made that video yet? Wrong hole, but it's so good. Recovery cookie. That's good. That's real good. Homemade cannabis capsule from last year's harvest. And lots of water. Smells so good. A cold half of corn on the cob. In real life, I'd probably give this a 3 to 4. In starving mode, I'll give this a 5 to 6. I'm kind of old and cold. And yes, I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Fried egg with fresh mozzarella, arugula, sauerkraut, salt and pepper on a flour tortilla. A glass of Ultima electrolyte replenisher. Not sponsored, but wouldn't mind being. Oh, this stuff's fucking good. Remnants of some blue corn tortilla chips. Salty, crunchy. Dinner time. We have homemade quinoa with steamed carrots and broccoli, sauteed miyataki mushrooms, kale with onion and garlic, some arugula, kimchi, scrambled eggs, and the sauce is a Thai peanut sauce. And this is gonna be good. With a glass of wine. Vanilla and chocolate fudge ice cream with cashew nut butter on top. We'll see how many of these I eat. Green tea. For breakfast, we have what is this? Breakfast taco. Egg, arugula, cheese, corn tortilla, and a little bit of salsa. I'll probably eat like 4 of these today. But I'm gonna start with one. Blackberry sweet roll, sencha green tea. For lunch we're having flour tortilla, basically a beanadilla. Beans, cheese, lettuce, salsa. The beans are marinated with mushrooms and kale. This came before the ride food. The ride food replicates the lunch food. And after lunch, we're gonna have some chocolate chip cookies and the smallest espresso press I've ever seen, with some decaf coffee. All right, this is going to conclude. The 24-hour period is essentially up in the next half an hour. This last meal is a smoothie with banana, apple, almond milk, hemp seeds, peanut butter, coca nibs, CBD, MCT oil, and I think that's it. And then I put a little granola on the top. This has been strikingly way more personal than I expected it to be. Here's an intimate look into everything I put into my mouth. Kind of odd, but I'm glad I did it, and hopefully it does something for you. Until next time, dear friend.
Move yourself to a sleepy place where you can hide and let the others pass away.